Hello everybody, please take out your English book. There you take out lesson number 19, page number 40. Today we are going to do page number 40 and page number 41 of this chapter. Now children, I hope that you all know the meaning of what and where. Can you tell me when we use what? Yes, we use what to ask something and we use where to know the place, right? So now let us read first. Use of what, where. So now we will again revise the use of what and use of where. What is a question word? It asks a question. We all know this, right? That what is a question word. And what means it asks a question. Now let us read and understand. Now see, what is this? Here, what is this means somebody is asking that what is this. So children, what is this? See, the answer is written over here. This is a clock. So what is this? This is a clock. Next picture. What is this? Now, what is this, children? This is a racket. This is a racket. Next one. What is this? Now, what is this? This is a rose. This is a rose. So, children, what we have learned? We have learned that how to use what, right? Where to use what and how to use what. So what? Ask question. What? Ask question. Now let's read the next part. What is this? This is an orange. This is an orange. Now let us learn about where. Where is used to ask the place of the object. So where is used to ask the place of the object. Now let us read and understand. Where is the sun? Now children, can you tell me where is the sun? The sun is behind the hill. The sun is behind the hill. We have to say the position. Where asks about the place, the position. So where is the sun? The sun is behind the hill. The sun is behind the hill. Next one, where is the ball? Now children, where we can see the ball? It's under the chair. So the answer will be the ball is under the chair. The ball is under the chair. Next question, where is the ball? Now, where is the ball? It's near the bat, right? So the answer will be the ball is near the bat. The ball is near the bat. Next question. Where is the chick? Now, where is the chick? The chick is behind the hen. So, where is the chick? The chick is behind the hen. Now, let us do the next page. Page number 41. Now, here we have two exercises and we have to do it. Now let's do the first exercise. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. We have to look at the pictures and answer the questions. Now children, let us start. What is this? Now children, we can see this picture. So children, what is this? Yes, this is an apple. So we will write here. This is an apple. Now next one. What is this? What we can see here? It's a picture of a girl. So we will write this is a girl. Now I have done this first two questions for you. Next two questions. I hope that you all are very smart and you all can do it very nicely, right? Now children, let us do the next one. Look the picture and answer the questions. So we have to look at these pictures and we have to answer the questions. Where is cake? Now children, where asks about position or where asks about the place, right? So children, where is cake? Where is cake? Yes, the cake is on the table. The cake is on the table. Now let us write it. All of you will write the first alphabet in capital, okay, because we are writing a sentence. So the first alphabet of a sentence should be in capital, and after finishing we have to put a full stop. So the cake is on the table. We have completed writing the sentence, so we will put a full stop. Now let's see the next question. Where are balloons? Where are balloons? Now children, where we can see the balloons? Can you tell me where are the balloons? The balloons are behind the children. The balloons are behind the children. So we will write here the balloons are behind. Behind means backside. Behind the children. We have completed writing a sentence, so we will put a full stop. Okay. Now, where are candles? Where are candles? Now children, where you can see the candles? I hope you can write the answer, right? So I have done this first two questions for you. The last one you will do it by yourself. Okay. So this is all for today. Bye bye and have a nice day.